Are you familiar with tea tree essential oil? My first exposure to tea tree essential oil was back in the 90s when I was a teenager and I had some occasional skin blemishes that were not pretty and really started to irritate me. So my mom introduced me to tea tree essential oil and I did not like the smell. But every time I smell that oil today, I still go back to my teenage years and remember the time when my mom was introducing me to many different natural products to try and help support my skin. I'm Jessica Garthy, an essential oil educator and simple solutions enthusiast. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified each time I add a new video. Today, we're going to talk about tea tree essential oil. It is one of the most popular essential oils and for very good reason. Tea tree essential oil is best known for its purifying properties and can be used to cleanse and purify the skin, encourage healthy nail growth, promote a healthy scalp, and beautify the complexion. It also helps to reduce the appearance of skin blemishes, which is when I was first introduced to tea tree essential oil. Be sure to stick around to the end and I will share with you some of my favorite essential oil recipe blends that help to support the body in a natural way. Okay, let's get into how we use tea tree essential oil. So this beautiful oil can be used both topically and aromatically, meaning we can diffuse it and we can apply it to the body. When we apply it to the body, it's always best to use a carrier oil. However, this oil is safe to be used neat, meaning it does not necessarily need a carrier oil. Tea tree essential oil is native to Australia. It takes about 3 pounds of tea tree leaves to produce one 15 milliliter bottle of essential oil. And there are over 600 published studies about the benefits of tea tree essential oil. And the top properties for this beautiful oil are antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal, antiparasitic, antiviral, analgesic, and decongestant. As you can see, it is very versatile and there are so many things in it. So I want to talk specifically about ways that we can use this essential oil. Are your makeup brushes in need of some deep cleaning? Over time, your makeup brushes get covered in old makeup and dead skin cells. If you don't want to be spreading that all over your face, you'll need to give your brushes a good cleaning every once in a while. With just 3 simple ingredients, including tea tree oil, you can concoct a purifying makeup brush cleanser that will get rid of buildup and gunk, restoring your makeup brush to their former glory. You can see a link in the description box below for a recipe. You can achieve clean, glowing skin with the help of tea tree oil simply by including it in your daily skincare routine. Consider adding 1 to 2 drops of tea tree oil to your facial cleanser or moisturizer for added cleansing properties. Making tea tree oil a part of your daily skin routine will help keep your skin clean, toned, and will give it a great, healthy appearance. Tea tree oil can also be used to help soothe occasional skin irritations. When you experience occasional skin irritations, like maybe after shaving, you can just simply take 1 to 2 drops of tea tree essential oil, add some coconut oil or a carrier oil, and apply it right to the skin to help with the irritation that you may be experiencing on your skin. The purifying properties of tea tree oil aren't just good for hair and skin. You can also use tea tree oil to keep your fingernails and toenails looking and feeling healthy. Reap the benefits of tea tree oil for nails by applying some oils to your fingernails and toenails after you get out of the shower. When using this beautiful oil topically, first dilute with a fractionated coconut oil or your carrier oil of choice to prevent against any skin sensitivity, and then apply a few drops to your skin. Got a dry, scratchy throat? Want to support your immune system? Add 1 drop of tea tree essential oil to a glass of warm water and gargle. Want to boost that up a little bit? Add a drop of On Guard as well. Another way that you can use tea tree essential oil is for ear discomfort. Just take 1 drop of tea tree oil and rub it on the outside of the ear. So you don't want to put it inside the ear. You never want to add essential oils to the inside of your ear or to inside of your crevices, but you just take 1 drop and apply it all around the outside of your ear. You're going to apply it to the front, to the back, and down the jawline to help support the ear discomfort and to help support healthy drainage and inflammation that you may be experiencing with any of that ear discomfort. You can do that. When we experience that in our home, I like to apply it every 30 minutes. If you have a lot of ear discomfort, you can add lavender. You can also add helichrysum. You can even take a cotton ball, add 1 to 2 drops of tea tree, and just set it right on the little inside of the ear. So you're not going to press it into the ear. You're just going to set it right here in the little shelf of the ear. And that will definitely help support any ear discomfort that you might be experiencing. Do you want to freshen up your feet? You can add a couple drops to the bottom of your feet, put them inside your shoes, and it will definitely help with any of that stinkiness that you might be experiencing on your feet or your shoes. Or you can also use it to freshen the air in a room and to purify the air. Just add a couple of drops to your favorite diffuser and start diffusing that. As I promised, I'm going to give you my favorite essential oil recipe guide absolutely free. Just below this video in the description box, there is a link that's titled My Favorite Essential Oil Guide. Click on that link and start creating some amazing blends. Be sure to watch this next video to give you some great tips about supporting your immune system.